Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Modupe Salma Badmus. How about getting free social media traffic to your dropshipping store on a daily basis? What if I told you that there is a particular plugin that can help you achieve that? We all know that getting traffic from social media requires a lot of time and effort. We need to consistently post, comment on other people's posts, like other people's posts, and even follow other people's accounts in order to be followed back. What if I told you that there is a particular plugin that can help you automate the whole process? Introducing the Social Rabbit plugin. With the Social Rabbit plugin tool, you are able to manage the social media marketing aspect of your business. So now let me take you to my dashboard where I show you how to get it all set up and running in minutes. Let me log into my account now and show you how to upload and get the plugin set up and running. The first thing you're going to do is you are going to check your email for the download page. In your email address, you'll be able to locate your license key. They will send you your license key that you can use to activate the plugin. So this is the download page where we are going to download the plugin, after which we'll upload it into our dropshipping store. You have to enter your license key, then you click on download. So after you must have downloaded the plugin, the next thing you're going to do is to log into your WordPress dashboard and locate plugin, add new, then you come up here and locate upload plugin. So you click upload plugin to be taken to the location where you have downloaded the plugin. So you click on choose file, you locate the plugin you have downloaded. After we click on open, after which you install the plugin. As you can see, the plugin is installing. Now that we have installed the plugin, the next thing we are going to do is to activate the plugin. So you click on activate plugin. The plugin has been activated. So you locate the plugin. We are taken to a page to activate the license. Input your license key and click on save. These are the 4 social media accounts that this plugin is integrated with. We have Facebook, we have Twitter, we have Pinterest, and we have Instagram. For example, now let's add my Facebook account. So when you click on overview, so you have to authorize your Facebook account. Let me authorize my Facebook account. So I've been able to log into my Facebook account and I'm asked to authenticate the rabbit. So you have to choose the page that you like to use with the Social Rabbit plugin. So now I'll choose a page that I would like to use with the Rabbit plugin. Click on next. Receive email address. I'm actually linking the Social Rabbit plugin to my Facebook account now, so I'll click on OK so that I can be redirected back to my dashboard. So now that I've been able to add my Facebook account, I'm to select my page. So the next thing to do is that I'll go and add some images to my gallery. So I'm to enable some of the settings here. Then crop images. Well, I can enable this crop images, then I'll click on save. Or you can enable this by saying share your blog post on Facebook, so you enable it. You click on save. So you come to poster. So you can publish your products from your store to your Facebook account. You can post every 4 hours. Post every 4 hours, 30 minutes, every 5. You can set the time, the interval between your posts here. Then you can add meta picture. So you click on save. To add your images, go to media settings. Then you'll be taken here to add your add media or import media, or you can add media where you'll be taken to your account to pick some of the pictures you would like to use. So you can actually use some of the pictures in your store, add some of the pictures in your store to your gallery, or if you have a picture somewhere where you can upload it, or you can bring it and you import it in. This is your template. This is a posting template. This is the tag. You can use the same set across all the social media accounts. As you can see, this is saying that I use for Facebook,
If you want to add Instagram, then click on save. Click on save. We have our planner here. Planner is where we choose how we post and what we post. Under Facebook, we have overview, we have poster, we have blog, we have authorized. We have already authorized it. So we have already enabled our blog. Then we have added pictures to our gallery. So this is how you do your whole settings. This is how you get the plugin to work, by doing all your settings within your WordPress dashboard. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. So I'm going to leave the link to purchasing this plugin in the description box below. Remember to subscribe to my channel for more tips on e-commerce and dropshipping business. Thank you.